10 golden foods for kidney health. Lower creatinine and reduce nighttime urination. Say goodbye to kidney worries. Welcome, dear friends, to Useful Health Kit Official. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any helpful videos empowering you to monitor your health, sleep better, and live a joyful, healthy life every day. Dear friends, our kidneys are among the body's most hard-working yet silent organs. They don't just filter blood and remove toxins, they also maintain the delicate balance of water, salts, and essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, keeping your body running smoothly. However, when your kidneys start to weaken, even with small signs like nighttime urination, fatigue, or lower back pain, ignoring them can lead to serious consequences over time, such as swelling, high blood pressure, or even chronic kidney disease. In fact, more and more young people today are experiencing kidney issues. It's no longer just a concern for older adults. The truth is, most of us only start worrying when the damage is already visible. So don't wait until that happens. Start protecting your kidneys today. And one of the best ways to do that is through your diet. So, what should you eat to keep your kidneys strong and healthy? Let's find out together. 1. Fatty fish, the omega-3 trio that supports kidney and heart health. Among kidney-friendly foods, fatty fish is one of the best choices to include in your weekly meals. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, good fats with powerful anti-inflammatory properties that reduce low-grade inflammation, especially in kidney tissues. Research shows omega-3s not only support filtration function, but also slow the progression of kidney disease, even in its early stages. They also help regulate blood pressure, a silent but common cause of kidney damage. Another plus, protein from fatty fish is easier to digest than red meat, easing the kidney's metabolic load. Aim to eat fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week as recommended by your doctor. If fresh fish isn't available, you can replace it with chia seeds, flax seeds, or fish oil supplements. The key is to stay consistent, simple but steady. 2. Egg whites, pure protein, low in phosphorus. You might not expect it, but egg whites are one of the cleanest and safest protein sources for people with kidney issues. Unlike yolks, which are high in cholesterol and phosphorus, egg whites are gentle on the kidneys and easy to digest. Many of my patients with mild kidney impairment or diabetic kidney disease have shown noticeable improvements after adding egg whites to their breakfast or snacks. They're rich in essential amino acids that help preserve muscle mass and support filtration without creating too much waste for the kidneys to process. Typically, kidney patients can consume about 2 to 3 egg whites a day as advised individually. For best results, boil, steam, or lightly pan-fry them with minimal oil to keep nutrients intact. They can be mixed into soups, porridge, or soft vegetables. Even healthy people benefit from eating egg whites regularly, a simple, affordable way to support natural detoxification. 3. Garlic, a small spice with big kidney benefits. Garlic is a powerful natural medicine that's often overlooked. It has strong anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce chronic inflammation, the silent culprit behind kidney cell damage. Garlic also helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood pressure. When both are under control, the kidneys face less stress during daily filtration. It naturally helps limit sodium intake, reducing water retention and swelling, common issues when kidney function declines. Garlic contains allicin, a natural bacterial compound that supports urinary tract health and improves filtration efficiency. Enjoy 1 to 2 cloves a day, raw, cooked, or with honey. Used regularly, garlic provides safe, natural kidney protection. 4. Kidney-friendly green vegetables. Choose low-potassium varieties and cook them right. Leafy greens like broccoli, cabbage, and baby kale are great additions to your diet. They're packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, K, and folate that help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and slow down tissue degeneration. Many cruciferous vegetables are low to moderate in potassium, making them suitable for those who need to manage potassium intake. Their soluble fiber also helps control blood sugar and cholesterol, 2 major risk factors for kidney disease. How to cook: steam, boil, or stir-fry briefly to preserve nutrients. If your doctor recommends lowering potassium, boil vegetables in plenty of water and discard the water afterwards. A serving of greens every day not only supports your kidneys, but also aids digestion, heart health, and immunity. 5. Onions, the low-potassium friend of the kidneys. Onions are inexpensive, easy to find, and surprisingly beneficial. They're rich in quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps protect kidney cells from free radicals and inflammation, slowing the loss of filtration ability. Onions also help stabilize blood pressure, crucial for preserving kidney function. They're naturally low in potassium and can replace salty seasonings, helping reduce sodium intake and prevent water retention. Add onions to soups, salads, stir-fries, or roasted dishes for flavor and health benefits. Eat them regularly to see gradual, lasting improvement. 6. Pumpkin seeds, small but mighty for kidney and urinary health. Don't underestimate pumpkin seeds. They're full of magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants that help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and support kidney efficiency. Magnesium also prevents kidney stones by maintaining proper mineral balance. Pumpkin seeds benefit urinary health by reducing inflammation and supporting toxin elimination. They also contain tryptophan, which promotes better sleep, essential for kidney recovery. How to eat: raw or lightly roasted, unsalted. A small handful a day is enough. If you need to restrict phosphorus or potassium, check with your doctor before eating them regularly. 7. Apples, pectin for blood sugar, cholesterol, and kidney support. Apples are among the best kidney-friendly fruits. They're rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that helps lower LDL cholesterol and control blood sugar, both key for kidney protection. Regular apple consumption eases the kidney's workload and supports natural detoxification without overburdening them. Apples are also relatively low in potassium, making them a safe choice for kidney-friendly diets. Enjoy fresh, juice, or smoothies, but limit them to about 4 ounces, 120 milliliters, if managing potassium or sugar. Simple, tasty, and highly effective. 8. Ginger. Warms the body, improves circulation, and supports kidney function. Ginger is one of nature's best healers. It helps reduce chronic inflammation, improves circulation to the kidneys, and gently supports blood pressure regulation. Just a few slices daily can make a big difference. How to use: enjoy warm ginger tea, add fresh slices to dishes, or soak in honey for a soothing drink. 1 to 2 slices a day is enough for steady, natural kidney support. 9. Pineapple. Bromelain for anti-inflammation, mild diuretic effect, and low potassium. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that fights inflammation and protects kidney tissues. It also aids protein digestion, helping the kidneys work more efficiently. With its mild diuretic effect, pineapple helps flush out excess salts and toxins, preventing water retention and kidney stones. It's also lower in potassium than many other fruits, making it a great choice for kidney-friendly diets. Enjoy fresh, juice, or smoothies, but avoid overeating if you have a sensitive stomach. 10. Watermelon, nature's hydration hero for kidney health. Watermelon is over 90% water, perfect for flushing out toxins and supporting kidney filtration. Its antioxidants protect kidney cells from free radical damage and inflammation. It also acts as a natural diuretic, helping eliminate salt, reduce swelling, and regulate blood pressure, all of which ease the kidney's workload. Plus, it's relatively low in potassium. Enjoy it fresh, as juice or in smoothies, but follow your doctor's fluid recommendations. Important notes on choosing and preparing kidney-friendly foods. Now that you know which foods are good for your kidneys, how you choose and prepare them is just as important. Choose fresh ingredients from trusted sources, clean produce markets, or reputable supermarkets. Vegetables. Look for natural colors and freshness. Avoid wilted, bruised, or oddly shaped produce. Fish, meat, seafood. Pick fresh items with firm flesh and no bad smell. Avoid heavily salted or long frozen products. Limit processed and canned foods. They're high in sodium, which causes water retention and high blood pressure. If you need to reduce potassium, boil vegetables and discard the cooking water. Avoid overcooking to preserve nutrients. Juices. Limit to about 4 ounces, 120 milliliters, if managing potassium or sugar. Personalize your diet based on your lab results and doctor's advice. Eating right isn't just about nutrients.
It's about eating clean, safe, and cooking properly to truly protect your kidneys for life. The kidneys may be silent, but they're vital for detoxification, balance, and sustaining life. Caring for them early is far easier and less costly than trying to repair them later. Start with small steps. Choose fresh food, cook wisely, and prioritize kidney-friendly dishes. Don't wait until fatigue, swelling, or nighttime urination appear. Prevention always wins. Healthy kidneys are the foundation of energy, clarity, and independence in your later years. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Healthy and Happy Living, and share it to spread the message of health and happiness to more people. Wishing you all good health, joy, and peace every single day.